Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, navigation system, cruise control, clock, child safety locks, heated steering wheel, compass, power windows, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.